Hello beautiful people. In today's video we are going to look into a whole different project that I feel that you guys need to start looking into right now. If you are trying to make about 2x or 1x your money, okay, I'm not going to promise you guys 100x, okay, but what I know for real is that right now is not even a good time, okay, but we are straight heading to bull run and all of that. But I feel that this would be a great project that you guys should look into. Okay, there are two reasons why I'm making a video about Billionaire. The first reason is that they have a pre-sale on. Okay, since they have a pre-sale on, we can make about 2x. Okay, you can see right here, okay, a lot of people are investing into this coin and they've been able to raise about $6.4 million. Okay, this particular project is actually good as well for people that are into gambling and all of that. I don't gamble. My plan is to invest in this coin, and if you like gambling a lot, they have raffle and game betting, okay, which you may want to look into as well. Okay, so if you're looking on a way on how you can participate in a pre-sale, okay, you may want to consider using BNB or USDT or BUSD. Okay, let's come on here. Let's assume that we want to invest 0.5 BNB. Okay, so let's see how much we are going to have. Okay, we are going to have about 2,633. Okay, and when you copy this exact link right here, I'm going to be leaving this link in the description. When you copy this link right here, okay, so you copy it, then you go to your Trust wallet, okay, and go to your dApps and paste in this particular address right here. You can see on the screen. So when you copy and paste it right there, then you try to connect your wallet. After connecting your wallet, then you come in here. Make sure you have BNB and all of that. Then you impute how much BNB you'd like to buy this for. Billionaire is a revolutionary multi-layered blockchain that is into gambling and other stuff. Okay, you can bet and make a lot of prediction on here and earn some stuff. Okay, so this is more like trying to gamble to earn something. If you like gambling a lot, you may want to consider this platform, because one is that this is in Web3 and you're earning money as well in crypto. Okay, and if you live in Nigeria, this is another way to make money in dollars as well, because all your money is in dollars. Okay, so you may want to consider they have a unique and immersive ecosystem. They have a staking tier system where you can stake Arbitrum to earn rewards right here. Okay, and I will show you guys that. They have the first plan right here, which is if you invest or Arbitrum, or which is maybe 10,000 Arbitrum, you could get a 60% APR. And you can see all they have right here. So coming on the raffles and the game and betting and everything they have right here. So their platform is going to offer a huge range of games and prizes without any limitation or borders, meaning that you guys are going to be having a lot of stuff. You guys are going to be playing games and you can be able to earn money as well as you're doing all of this. But for the most part, this is the best betting platform you may want to consider if you are out there and you do gamble for a living and all of that. Make sure you invest in before you can afford to risk. This is not a promotion and this is not a financial advice. Okay, the reason why I'm pursuing this is because it's getting listed on MXC exchange. I'm seeing this as a way I can diversify my money and be able to earn, okay, and earn profit with my money. So I feel there could be a 2x or 1x on this project, so you guys should look into it. Invest in before you can afford to raise. For me, I can invest in with $20 or $10 on this kind of project. So you guys may want to invest in before you can afford to raise. Don't go all in. You don't want to bet and all that. You can just invite your friends and you can be able to earn through the affiliate program which they have right here. And you need to understand that this is a utility token that you're investing into. And what is the utility? Which is the betting platform. Okay, have it in mind that on here as well, they have a profit sharing with holders. Okay, they have this deflationary token model as well. They have this utility provider for other projects. I may want you guys to look into this project, but nothing on here should be considered as a financial advice. They are getting listed as well on MXC exchange. Okay, this is MXC exchange is one of the reputable exchange I've known like for the past 2 years now, or a year now. So I want you guys to look into that as well. Immediately they get listed, I feel that we can see a 1x or 2x pump on this particular token. You guys should look into it, make your proper research, okay? And if you want more details about it, I'm going to want you guys to follow them on their social media handle and look up about this particular project. So right here you can see their tokenomics and everything. They have 8% that is going for marketing. Marketing is actually good for projects, okay, for the most part, so we can be able to get new investors or new holders. Okay, the more holders the more people trying to hold this token, the more valuable we are going, the more value we are going to get, since we are already holders of this coin. So right here you have Operation and Dave. Okay, they are taking 8%. They have 5% that's going to exchange and liquidity. So you guys need to get ready for this launching, because I feel that this launching is going to be massive. Nobody knows on what will happen, but I feel we are going to make about 1x from the whole money that's been generated right in this project, which is 6.2 or 3 million dollars. Right here is a token contract. You guys may want to check this as well. So what I usually do is that when I copy this kind of address, when I copy it, okay, I try to go to a platform, okay, go plus, oh, I'm using a cap, go plus lab, token security. Okay, I go right there. It helps a lot to know the genuinity of this project. So let's click on there. I've made a video on how you can do this, and you can check that on the channel. So right here we have to select Arbitrum. Okay, let's look for it. That's Arbitrum right there. Then we are pasting that address right there. So we have to check the security. Okay, we would have gotten more details about this, but this is what we are getting right now. So many of you guys that like to buy in on this project later, okay, you may want to buy it later, but I tried, getting more information about it right here to know on the security, but I'm not being able to get anything right now because they're saying this is a token that has not yet been dictated. We are in a process of dictating it. Please try again after a minute. You guys should do this for your own safety as well. Okay, you need to make sure that the safety measures there, is in place. Okay, you guys should stay guard up. Okay, right here you can see the roadmap, guys. The roadmap is something that I feel that you guys should look into as well, because all projects should come in with a strong and solid, roadmap that I feel that is going to be promising over the long run. So right here is their roadmap. Okay, the roadmap they have here is white paper and project documentation release and all that. Joining the BNB chain Kickstarter from Binance Labs. Okay, and they are planning on deploying the Referral smart contracts and all of that. That'll be okay for you guys to bet and be able to make your money and all of that. They have an airdrop coming up soon. Okay, so when this airdrop is out, I'm going to be looking into it and sharing with you guys as well. So right here they have a token generation event for Arbitrum. Okay, so you're going to see this as well. They have a lot of stuff right here which I want you guys to look into, and most of them they've done it already. Okay, so right here is another one. So I feel that you guys need to look into all of these stuffs, okay, and get more and get your eyes on it. And right here as well, in 2024 they are planning on having this start of Arbitrum distribution and official Billionaire platform launch and all of that kind of stuff. And they are going to be getting more listed on centralized exchange. Centralized exchange is more like an exchange like Binance and all of that kind of stuff, okay? And as well on some decentralized exchange. The centralized exchange is more like a platform like PancakeSwap. So that's it, guys. So you guys should look into it. They have many plans right here, and they are as well going to be having a mobile app which they are going to be launching soon. I want you guys to not miss out on this, okay? You can look into the project and see what you can be able to do right there. So right here is their press release, which I'd like you guys to go through each of them. And don't forget to join them on their Telegram as well. Join their Telegram and follow them on all their social media handle. So coming on here, if you want to deepen in your knowledge about this project, you come right here and check their white paper or check their one-pager and take all this tokenomic stuff. Take your time. Okay, remember we have ChatGPT. You can always ask your question right there on ChatGPT. I'm going to be leaving the website for you. You have the team and advisors. Okay, I feel that you guys need to go verify them. Go check them. It's very important as well. So right here we have the co-founder. There are two of them. So you come on here and check them all. Okay, very important that you scroll through to check them. You can see the technical analysts right there they have. You can check all of them. Okay, it's very important that you verify all this information because it will help you so you know the kind of people that you're dealing with as well. Okay, so right here there are many of them, and that is very nice. Okay, that is very nice. So you go verify all of them. So that's what I feel about this. But don't forget the goal. My own goal is to invest in this project and be able to make about 2x. Okay. But if that's not your goal, then you may want to wait for them to launch it. So when they launch it, then you can buy from the exchange. So when you're buying from the exchange, it means that the price on the exchange will be a bit high, okay, than the one they have here on the pre-sale, which you can actually partake. Okay, so right here, I'm going to participate. I'm going to join them in their pre-sale. Okay, and I'm investing just $10 right there because that's the amount of money I'm willing to risk. And right here, they have a $5,000 and Tesla giveaway. Okay, right here you can click to join the giveaway if you wish. Okay, you guys should verify that as well and tell me how everything was able to pan out for you. So right here, if you don't know about what Billionaire is all about, if you want more information, you come right here and check everything for you. They have all you may want to know about. Nothing on here should be considered as a financial advice because I am a human as you. I can as well make mistakes. Okay, so that's it. If you're looking to make more money, you can join my free signal where I share my forex signal and other crypto signals. So catch you again, guys.